Hey, this is David Bradley, training facilitator and coach with Grant Cardone. I got your Tuesday sales tip in under 2 minutes. You ready for this one? Today's tip. I want you to have a note somewhere. I would like you to set a reminder on your phone. I would like you to place something somewhere close to your desk or where you work, and I want it to say, this is what I'm doing right now going to make me any money? Is what I'm doing right now going to make me any money? 1 equals no way in hell. 2 equals heck yeah. Okay. Rate yourself on a scale from 1 to 5. Do that on the regular. Maybe set an alarm on your phone. Maybe put a little Post-it note next to your work phone, or even have a calendar reminder pop up like midday. Is what you're doing right now going to make you any money? This has been your Tuesday sales tip in under 2 minutes. For more information about our brand new coaching program, shoot an email out to david@grantcardone.com or call 310-777-0352 and be great. Yeah, because nothing else pays. Is what you're doing right now going to make you any money?